but men should not marry single mothers. As in, me, I would marry a single mother if the husband is dead ama ako jela. That's the only situation I would marry a single mother. So unapata like sasa nikuulize, like these days when you talk of empowerment, mnasema madem waende kazi waache watoi nyumbani na mamboch. How how is that, as in, how is that nurturing for a woman? Like uniachie watoi wangu kwa nyumba uende kazi uniachie mboch. For one, hao si watoi wa mboch, hao ni watoi wako. A woman should be a nurturing mother, should be a mother. As in, should be a mom, a loving, caring mom. But ikifika ni kuchagua msichana nataka, acha nikwambie sahi, as a man you can be with anyone, but when you are choosing the mother of your kids, you have to be very careful. If you're not careful, you will fuck up. Women should be trained to be mothers, to be loving, to be nurturing, hizo vitu zote. Basa umefunza dem a career woman, as in anaenda job daily, anaacha watoi kwa nyumba.